there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In the bustling city of Gotham, a peculiar crime wave was sweeping through the streets, leaving citizens bewildered and bemused. The culprit? The notorious Joker, cackling with glee, had devised a diabolical plan to transform all of Gotham's iconic statues into oversized whoopee cushions. The Joker's signature blend of chaos and comedy was reaching new heights, as the historic landmarks that dotted the city now threatened to become the Joker's biggest punchline. The tranquil Gotham Square, once graced by the proud statue of the city's founder, now echoed with the unexpected sound of flatulence every time the wind blew. The soaring monument that honored the city's war heroes issued a loud PPPPRRPHHHH whenever pigeons took flight from its base. As the sun set below the horizon, painting the Gotham sky in hues of orange and purple, the bat signal pierced through the dusk, a stark reminder that the city was in dire need of salvation. In the Batcave, Bruce Wayne cast aside his billionaire alter ego to once again don the mantle of the Batman. Beside him, his steadfast partner, Robin, sprang into action, determination etched on his youthful face. "We've got to stop him, Batman," Robin said, his voice tinged with urgency. "If the Joker keeps this up, the entire city will be a laughingstock." "Precisely," Batman replied, his voice calm yet firm. "The Joker thrives on chaos. We need to understand his endgame before he turns Gotham into nothing more than a bad joke." The duo hopped into the Batmobile, its engine growling as they sped through the darkened streets toward their first clue. Reaching the scene of the latest heist, a statue of Amelia McIntosh, a revered philanthropist, Batman and Robin inspected the site. Scattered on the ground were traces of a peculiar polymer that no ordinary prankster would possess. A high-tech plastic, elastic yet durable, designed specifically to mimic the sound and effect of a traditional whoopee cushion. "Typical Joker," Robin observed, examining the material. "Always one step ahead with his twisted sense of humor." "Yes," Batman agreed, retrieving a small sample to analyze in the Batcave. "But humor can be deceptive. Let's see if we can find where he's sourcing this from." Back at the Batcave, the sample was scrutinized under the high-powered microscope. The computer's results pinged, indicating the polymer's origin. An abandoned toy factory, famously linked with the Joker's earlier antics, sat grimly on the outskirts of Gotham. The Batmobile roared again, slicing through the night as it raced toward the gloom-covered edifice. Chains clattered under the furious gusts of wind, the factory a sinister silhouette against the night sky.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.